To assemble the NAHANCO EL8162 Classic Utility Rack, start by clipping on shelf supports to the bottom of all 4 uprights with feet. Insert the 4 uprights into the shelf. Repeat clipping on shelf supports at the next desired level and securing the next shelf. This item can be set up as 2 short units or 1 tall unit. To assemble as 1 tall unit, screw in the upper uprights. Proceed with adding shelves to the upper level. To make this unit mobile, you can unscrew the leveling feet and screw in the casters. Use the wrench provided to tighten. 2 of the casters are locking to secure the rack in place. That concludes the assembly of the NAHANCO EL8162 Classic Utility Rack.